In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move subfolder to other folder in Outlook. First, make sure you can see the folder pane on the left side of Outlook. This is where all your mail folders live, and where subfolders appear nested under their parent folders. Identify the subfolder you want to move. Take a second to note where it currently sits so you'll recognize its new position when you're done. Now, click and hold the subfolder's name with your mouse. Keep the mouse button held down, don't let go yet. While holding, drag the folder toward the new location. As you move, Outlook gives you visual cues to show exactly where the folder will land. Watch closely for a thin horizontal line that appears between other folders. That horizontal line is key, it means you're placing the folder in that precise spot, right next to the folders above and below it, rather than inside any one folder. If the list is long, you can gently nudge your cursor toward the top or bottom edge of the folder pane while still holding the folder. The list will scroll so you can reach the spot you need. Be careful not to drop it when Outlook shows a box around another folder. That box is a different signal. It means the folder you're dragging will be dropped into the highlighted folder, turning it into a subfolder. If that's not what you want, move your cursor slightly so you're between folders again. The box will disappear and the thin horizontal line will return, confirming you're no longer nesting it inside anything. Take your time lining it up. Small cursor adjustments often make the difference between landing inside a folder and landing between folders. When the horizontal line is exactly where you want the subfolder to sit, release the mouse button. The subfolder will drop into place right there. You should see it move instantly to its new spot in the list, positioned alongside the neighboring folders just as indicated by the line. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.